Hey, it's Jason with jamzDOTnet, Cars, DIY Adventures. I'm here with my 2007 Land Rover, Range Rover L322. I absolutely love this Land Rover, and as you can see, we've had snow on the ground for like 3 weeks, and a lot of road salt, meaning lots of windshield wiper cleaning. And I need to change the wipers, and why this may sound like an easy task, maybe you've never done it, maybe you want to learn. I'm going to show you how to change your wipers on this 2007 Land Rover Range Rover Classic. It will be very similar for pretty much the 03 to like the 012 Land Rover, and even the newer ones. It will give you an idea. Let's go. These are the wipers that are on it. This is a big vehicle, right? So I actually get a ladder just so I'm not stretching to get over. And this is the little latch that you'll use. And you can see how that wiper is just cooked. It's no good anymore. So you don't want to be running your wipers when it's like that, because it will ultimately eventually just scratch the windshield ever so finely, and you'll see the scratches, and that's a huge pain. So 20 bucks, why not fix? So let me go grab a ladder so I can get up here a little bit easier. You might be able to use a step stool. Use whatever's easy for you. You can see here, I just went with a step stool. I'm like 5'8", just shy of 5'9", and this just makes it so much easier to be able to get up here at the proper height. But let's pop this blade off. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna want to do is when you're up here, just go ahead and these wipers will just pop up. Just pop it up, and then you have this little button here. It says lock on it. You're gonna want to pop this out, and when you pop it out, it's gonna enable everything to come up here. So give me 1 second. So you slide it that way, so you can see I slid it up, and when you slide it up, that's going to enable you to actually lift this tab up. I might have to get a screwdriver. It's being kind of finicky on me right now. Yeah, it actually came right out. So then you can just undock it completely out, and you can see the this is a Bosch wiper as well, but you can see just the wear and tear that is on it. So let's go ahead and get the other wiper so you can kind of see what I was talking about there. Slide that tab up and then just kind of pull the wiper out, and then we have the old wiper right here. Now, as I was mentioning, I typically would go with Bosch wipers. Bosch is what comes on, or recommended, I guess, maybe by Land Rover. But Napa had these Trico silicone ceramic coated blades on sale, 18 bucks off of a pair. So they were typically, 60, I guess they were 31 bucks each. And that's with the $18 discount. So the total with tax, which I'll say, man, it does seem like a lot of money for blades anymore, is $67.82. But that's what I have. So let's go ahead and unpackage the 26-inch one and get ready to configure it. Okay, I know why I go with Bosch wipers. These Trico wipers seem like absolute junk to me. Let's take a look. So I verified on the website that this model was supposed to fit. And they say identify a wiper. Mine doesn't really look like any of these at all. I mean, none of them. And you have to fidget with all these plastic bits and pop things off and push that down to pop that bit off, to put this bit on. This is basically what the Bosch wiper is, just a piece of metal that latches on. This guy, no matter what I do, I mean, it just doesn't match up at all. So incredibly disappointed. I feel like they've over-engineered this, and I don't even like these plastic bits here, because it's just these two little tiny bits that just hold the whole wiper on. I mean, it seems incredibly cheap if you ask me too. So for 60 bucks, no thank you. These are being packaged up and going right back to Napa. Okay, it's the next day. I took those Tricos back. I got a refund. I wasn't pleased with them. So this is where we're going to pick up the wiper install on the 07 Land Rover Range Rover L322. I forgot just how much I like Atlantic British. Admittedly, I haven't ordered anything from Atlantic British in a bit, but I called them up. I said, hey, look, I bought these Trico wipers. They're an absolute pain. What kit do you have? He said, I got you. The entire kit. Look at that. That's exactly what I was looking for. 1, 2, plus the back blade. I don't need this, but it came in the kit. I figured, why not? And the little tiny plastic tabs, just in case mine break, came in this kit. This entire kit from Atlantic British with shipping was $75. And I want to call out, the shipping was $17. I ordered it Friday and it showed up today on Saturday. Fantastic. And I talked to Gary just to confirm I was getting the right part and everything was good. So let's get these installed. Now he was telling me that generally these plastic locks always break. Mine are in really good shape, so I don't see any reason, to be completely frank, to replace it. I will keep these in my inventory and on hand. I would probably order these with the kit because you don't want to have it. I suspect that thing that slides is what typically breaks. This is how it should have been yesterday. I don't have any of these little tiny bits to tinkle with. Take this, slide it in. You're gonna wanna make sure it's behind the little wind deflector on everything. And you'll know when it sits in there. And then take the lock and push down. So I have it seated on there. There's a notch at the top that you can put the screwdriver in and push it down to lock it. So it's gonna be the exact same process. Pop the blade up, move this little thing up, it falls out perfectly. I do find this side to be easier because I feel like I can see in there easier with the way the blade is facing. I'm just getting my other blade here. It's gonna go in that same way. But what I mean by I can see in there, like I'm actually like looking in at the notch right now. Let me go ahead and show you. And you can see it's basically that little post right here. If you can see that, is clasping right on to that. That's how it's ultimately going up. So you're gonna find, I find the passenger side much easier because you can see in here easier. Put that in there, put that down, over, and then pop it down to lock it over. And you can see how much easier that side was for me, and it is latched. So let's do a little wipe and hope they don't fall off, right? That would be a bit embarrassing. This one's being weird. Have something under the plastic. There we go. And now I'm getting a nice, clean wipe. Yay, yay, yay. So that's how you change the wipers, the front wipers on a 2007 Land Rover Range Rover L322. I would say just don't make the dumb mistake I made and get impatient and go buy something that had like 8,000 little plastic bits. Thumbs up to Atlantic British for verifying what I needed. All of this is trash. The back wiper, I do have a video on how to replace that if you search my channel. And then I have these tabs, which I'll put on my parts shelf. So if I need them eventually, I have them. I do have 3 L322s, believe it or not. There's another one back here that needs a bunch of work. But again, this is Jason with jamzDOTnet, cars, DIY, and adventures. Simple video. However, this install can be very easy, like I just showed, or like I showed at the beginning, a huge pain in your butt. Spend the $17 for shipping. Go to Atlantic British, get the kit. It's going to make your life easy. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.